Hello friends and teachers. In this video, what I am going to tell you, I am going to tell you how can you generate your reports, CLO, PLO assessment reports, attainment on the QOB software after entering the marks of the students. So up till now, what we have done, we put attendance of the students in the QOB software. Then what we have done, we have entered or created different assessment activities in the section, and then we have entered the marks of the students. Now what we I am going to tell you is that how can you give how can you see the CLO attainment graph, PLO attainments and all that. So first of all, what I am going to tell you is that this is my section B and I have entered all the marks over here. In the previous video I told you how can you enter the marks of the students, and now it's class activities. Now I am moving towards what? This is assessment marks and I am moving towards the OBE. I have already defined the GPA. So now you can see all the marks are coming over here one by one in this. You can see according to the assessments, activities like assignment 1, quiz 2, questions of final exams, midterm questions and all that. So you can see it is already put it over here, and now I'm moving towards the GPA. And you can see the GPA is also coming over here. These are the grades of the students are coming over here, scores in GPA. You can see 2.66, 3.66 and all that. It is coming over here. If you want to get these marks or assessment result should be downloaded. So you can take it from PDF. You can see the summary report. So now you can see over here, this is the summary report. So what you have to do here, you have to click on the Save tab. Marks and GPA, let me tell you again what you have to do. This is the OB, where you will get all the marks. So you can you can take it in the form of PDF. You can take it in the form of Excel. You can see over here it is downloaded. So let me show you whether it is okay. It is downloading and it is going to open. It is network failure. Now what I have to do, let me show you into the GPA. Now I am moving towards the GPA, and when I click on the GPA, you will see all the grades are coming over here because I have already entered the GPA over there. Now you can download the summary report, but before doing all that, you have to click on the Save tab here. So when you save this, it will be saved into the software. And now what I am going to do, I am going to into the award list. So you can see all the grades are coming over here, total marks of the students, and you can see the total marks of the assignment, quizzes, midterm and final exams. And you will get the total, and then you will get grade marks. So you can take it in the PDF format, and if you want it into the Excel format, so you can download it. You just have to click on it and it will get downloaded. So when it get downloaded, so I will click on it. So let me share this. In this Excel sheet, you can see what is the grading system, grade statistics, and you can see all the marks award list of the student. So this is the award list, and you can see grading system also over here. If you want to change it, so you can change it and upload it as well. It's up to you. So now it is done, and now I am moving towards the again to the QOB software. So it is very easy method. You can download it from here. So now where I am going to click on this CLO. Where you have to go into the CLO list. We have already entered in it all the CLOs. Then you have to click on the CLO attainments, and you can see yes and no means yes means student achieved the CLOs, and no means student did not achieve the CLOs. So these are the things you can see easily over here, whether a student is getting his or her CLOs achieved or not. So you will see yes or no in front of every marks. And then what you have to do, you have to click on the CLO attainment graph. When you click on it, so you can see that there is a course learning outcomes attainment graph is here. This I have made on the Excel sheet. Now it is given itself, given by the QOB software. You just need to download it. So your student achieved 84%, 92% CLO, 196%. Now I am moving towards the CLO recommendation. Obviously, I did not put any recommendation, so it is not coming over here. Now I'm moving towards the PLOs. So I have to go into the PLO attainment. So you can see PLO attainments over here. And what you have, if you want this result, show result. So you can see the result here. And if you want it into the PDF file, so you can find it with the PDF file. And if you will click on the with marks, so it will come with marks. So it's totally up to you how you want your marks. Now I am moving towards the PLO attainment graph, and now this graph is formed here. So this is the graph, show graph. If you want this graph separately, so you will get it also. You will get downloaded in the form of PDF. You will click on the PDF, so you will get in the PDF. All the reports will get downloaded from here. And now I am moving to the PLO recommendation. So you can see I did not put any recommendation or comments here, so it is not coming over here. Now I'm moving towards the report section. So you have to see consolidated report. I told you I have done there the save tab, so that's why grading is coming over here. And you have to say print, show a PDF, whatever you want to. You can download this, and if you want to show it somewhere, so you can get it download. And if you want it print format, so you can click on the print and it will come in front of you in this way. So you can print it. You can see the graph and all the things are coming over here. Whether it is visible to all of you, yes, it is visible. So this is the way you can download it in the which form you want it, portrait form. If you want to save as PDF, so you can save it. So let me cancel it. Now what I am going to do is that you have to go into the Crozbet, and you can see the graph, sub-learning types and all that, and cognitive levels, domains, the graphs is coming over here. Highest score, lowest score, average score, there are lots of graphs and pie charts are coming over here. Then you will see it go into the GPA attainment graph, and you can see actually if you did not save that where, for example, what you have to do, you have to go into the assessment marks and then in the GPA. So first you have to save this here. So then you will go into the report and GPA attainment graph. So you will get this graph. Otherwise, you will not get this graph. In this graph, it is showing you how many students are getting A grade, how many students are getting A negative grades, B grade, B negative grades. So this is the count of the grade of how many students are getting which grade. So you can click on the GPA result. You will get it from here. So I am going again into the GPA attainment graph and click on the PDF. And when I click on the PDF, so there will be so many web reports are downloaded. So let me share with you. Let me show you. So this one, for example, new share. Wait, it's uploading or downloading. Now you can see the graph. This is one. And if I want to see another graph, so new share, you can see here. This is all the data over here. You can add it in your course file. And if you want this one, you can you will get GPA attainment graph. All the things you will get it in the form of the PDF. If you want to take direct print, so you can take print out as well. So this is the methodology. You can do it for attaining CLOs and PLOs in the QOB software. And I think you will find it very easy after watching this video. You just try it and you will learn it a lot. So you can see this is the way you will get your grade GPA attainment graph and all that. So you will find it easier for all of you. I will come up with the lab working as well in other videos, or obviously I will do it more videos on it. So if you will find any difficulty in doing this, so must tell me, must ask me, must write down in in the comment box. So I will help you out in your query and in your issues. So it will be helpful for you. How can you do that? And it will get easier for all of you. I think it is very simple and you can easily do it after watching this video. So please keep it in mind. You have to follow the steps properly and you will be able to complete your work easily. So thank you so much. If you will find my video helpful and useful for you, all of you guys. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell notification and don't forget to share with your family and friends. So you will find it helpful for all of you. And don't follow me on my blogspot, that is www.nahishazad.blogspot.com. Thank you so much. Bye bye.